DI India, celebrating Silver Jubilee in 2013.
It all started 25 years ago with nothing more than a dream, a passion, and rupees 20,000 in capital. We started in an humble way, initially only servicing the equipment which is supplied from the UK, and gradually started manufacturing some of the components and started adding more and more value locally. And Detection Instruments India Private Limited was born. We started servicing more and more clients, and the business took a natural course and started growing. But the real surprise, the pleasant surprise came one day when a friend called and said that the equipment which he had supplied had detected a major leak of gas and a disaster was averted. On that day, we committed ourselves to your safety.
Joined DI in 1994. It was 2nd May. And then I was promoted in just a span of 1 year. And it was so surprising and shocking for me that my efforts, my hard work was recognized. Unexpected personal verbal recognitions from my seniors, the supporting hands, even a smile from my colleague. And this is the reason why I have continued with DI for 18 years. And this is really an overwhelming experience for me.
Company can sell any product and make money, but that was not what my director wanted. He wanted to do something which is going to go beyond making money. This thought impressed me a lot. Sell a product which are going to help safety of mankind and plants. This passion has now kept me going on for last 15 years. This is what I am going to do for next 25 years and for life.
My association with ONGC was since 1982. We have been looking for devices which can detect the leakages and alerts the operator. What we realized in the process that Detection Instrument was always proactive to understand the need of the end user. They came forward to us to supply even the improved version of these detectors, which are much more reliable. They were as a business partner, not only just as a supplier for this particular product or systems. So we had built up a very exciting relationship with Detection Instruments.
As on today, we have installed more than 30,000 detectors in 500 plants, protecting more than 1 million people on 24/7 basis.
Where do we go from here? We certainly want to continue serving humanity in a much bigger way, and we do have plans to go public and protect 25 million lives in not too distant a future.